Hey everyone, I'm Anna Berry in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Fal from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. I am so excited to be working with you today, learning from you and hopefully tasting some of your delicious food. Spring is here, and so we are going to make a zesty, lemony spring pasta salad. Tell us about it.
Okay, so we're going to start with a whole wheat pasta, but with all of our recipes, we love to offer you substitutions. So this could be quinoa, this could be barley, this could even be like a steel cut oat that is steamed. So all of those bases would be fine if you didn't want to do a wheat pasta.
Sure.
Okay, and so easy peasy, well, especially because we've prepped everything beforehand, but we have some blanched and shocked. That means we just partially cooked the asparagus and then plunged it in cold water to stop the cooking process. We have some chickpeas. You could use whatever kind of beans or peas you wanted with this too. Some parsley, some green onion, and again, all of these things, you know, to your liking. This could be red onion, this could be cilantro, so really change it up. I'm gonna give it a little stir just because our bowl is a little bit tiny.
I mean, look at the color. I love eating your colors and that vibrant green.
Yes.
It looks healthy.
And then sprinkling on some of the beautiful pinky red color from the radish.
I love radish.
Again, if you don't love radish, I love radish too, but if you don't, then absolutely
Yeah, what would be a good alternative for radish?
Well, I mean, turnip comes to mind, but you know, carrot, that would actually be something that's maybe a little more palatable because it's sweet instead of bitter. And then we have a vinaigrette that's already made. You can get all of the ingredients on the online in the recipe, but it's just lemon juice, olive oil, mustard, dill, shallot.
Ooh.
Yeah, so very savory.
That looks gorgeous. I love is all the herbs in there just make it so much more dimensional. And we talked about this earlier, the reusing of the jars.
Right.
Why
Don't throw your
not?
jars away. It was
Don't
probably
throw
a jelly
'em
jar.
away.
Yes.
Jelly jar.
So we have one ready for you to taste. And so you can go ahead and have just a little taster of that if you would like.
This is the best part of the show, getting to taste it. Okay, so now this is asparagus. I personally love asparagus. What if someone doesn't love asparagus? What would you replace
I mean, I
that
guess
with?
you could just leave it out. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the green peas. I forgot the green peas. So the green peas also in the salad. Those are just frozen green peas.
Here we go, big
But
bite.
if you don't love asparagus, you could do green beans, and that would actually be a very good substitution.
Oh my gosh. Healthy, zesty, lemony, delicious.
And a great base for chicken or fish that you wanted to make your meal complete with a protein.
I was going to ask that, but my mouth was full with this deliciousness.
I was helping you out.
I could see this with a really nice lemony chicken or even a piece of fish would be great
same.
too.
And we had it last night with our little taster.
There you go. You did a pre-test.
Yes.
This is delicious. Okay, healthy, easy, and it's great. I can see kids loving it because of the pasta, and the parents love it too. That's always important. All right, well, thank you so much, Chef. This was delicious. And for more information and to get this recipe and make it in your own kitchen, check it out at kjrh.com. I might have one more bite.
Okay.